Namaste, Jai Sai Ram. Welcome to the next episode of Shirdi Sai Baba, Satcharitra Mein, Sachidananda Mein. Today we are going to embark on chapter 3. So last week we saw that at the end of chapter 2, Shirdi Baba gives great encouragement to Hemant Panchi, and he continues that. In this chapter he says, in the beginning, that don't fear anything, be confident, I am there with you, and you will be able to undertake and complete this task. And he also says that what are the benefits that are going to be happening in the world with the creation of this Satcharitra. First thing he says that once the Satcharitra is accomplished and it is compiled and published, it will remove the avidya or ignorance from this world. It will provide knowledge and spiritual wisdom to all the readers who read this book. And it will create great devotion towards the Guru, Shri Shirdi Sai Baba, and also God in general. Everybody will have devotion and bhakti. It will propagate that. Further, he also says there are some quotations of the words that Baba himself uttered. So he says that those people who read this Satcharitra and who have devotion towards Baba and who utter the name of Baba with love, that is Sai Baba or Shirdi Sai Baba, Sai the name, Baba will fulfill all of their wishes. That is what Baba has said in his own words. And he says that without having any inhibitions or reservations in our heart and mind, we have to surrender our ego to Shirdi Sai Baba's feet, and we have to meditate and devote our bhakti towards him. And he says that for those bhaktas who have sincere bhakti towards my stories, they will be rid of all diseases, and Baba will even protect them against death. Such is his confidence on the power of this Satcharitra. Further, Hemant Panchi in the chapter says that from time to time, saints and God himself allocates different tasks to different people. Some people have got the good saubhagya of building temples. Some they build tanks or ghats or temple tanks like that. Some are allowed to understand scriptures and provide treatises, and they write stotras and shlokas, those kind of publications. Some people do, some devotees are given that kind of task. So in this way, Baba has assigned the task of compiling his beautiful stories and all the golden words given by Baba to Hemant Panchi. And he says that Sai Baba took away my egoism and himself he wrote his stories. So Hemant Panchi surrenders and says that I was only a vehicle. The credit of relating these stories therefore goes to him and not to me, says Hemant Panchi. He says that I was born as a Brahmin caste, but I did not have the knowledge of the Shruti, the Vedas or the Smriti. But still, just like we have heard so many stories where Kalidasa was dumb and he was not able to speak and he was foolish, but Mata Kali Mata came and gave him blessing. Saraswati Devi came and gave blessing to somebody else. Like that, we have heard so many stories. So, if God will show his mercy, the dumb can speak and the lame can run. And finally, what is the purpose of this Satcharitra and its stories? The beautiful analogy given in the book is, just as a lighthouse serves the purpose of directing the ships so that they don't go astray and they reach the land safely, they reach their destination. Similarly, this Satcharitra, reading these stories, will give spiritual elevation and spiritual wisdom to all the bhaktas. Their minds will be only in good activities. It will remove them from all sins of speech and actions that they do every day. And it will turn their attention towards the holy feet of Baba and God. And God and Guru both are Shirdi Sai Baba. And in this way, Hemant Panchi says The description of Baba's pure fame and the hearing of the same with love will destroy the sins of the devotee, and therefore this is a simple sadhana for attaining salvation. With this we will end the video today for chapter 3 of Shirdi Sai Baba's Satcharitra Mein Sachidananda Mein. Thank you very much. Jai Sai Ram.